Welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. This is our Boston Whaler 21 Dauntless. It's a 2020. The boat is powered with a 200 Mercury all-white engine. It has the canvas cover package, so it keeps the console and the seat nice and clean, out of the weather. It also has the T-top. So now we're up here on the deck of the 21 Dauntless. The boat has a great layout for fishing and family. Nice sized casting deck up here on the bow. There's a trolling motor panel already built in. So all you need is the trolling motor and batteries, and it's a plug-and-play system. Good storage up here. All the hatches are fully finished. These bow compartments drain straight out of the boat, so they're very easy to clean. Here's your anchor locker. You can see that drains straight out of the boat as well. The center console on this boat is great size for a 21 foot. Nice and wide. It even has a head down here. Plenty of room for all your instruments. Two GPSs on this boat would be no problem at all to fit. Back here is the helm seat. This backrest moves forward and aft, so now you can sit either to face the beach or watch your rods. And there's a huge livewell underneath this seat. Three people can easily fit in this transom seat. And it folds down to create a nice aft fishing deck. This is a great boat for fishing the flats, bay fishing, nearshore fishing. But you can also take the family to the beach because there's plenty of seating. If you'd like more information, please visit us at MarineMax Fort Myers, and we'll be happy to show you in person.